All right, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to all of you out here. Okay, so Thursday, December 24th, 2020. Here's the story. First of all, this is a shortened trading day. I will do a follow-up video at the end of the day to see how this thing plays out. I am personally happy that it's a shortened trading day, and tomorrow the market is closed. I get an extra day off. I'm happy about that too. But I will miss all of you, and again, Merry Christmas. All right, let's move forward. Right now, the stock market is poised for a slightly higher open. Nothing major going on here. We're entering this so-called Santa Claus rally period in the market, kind of a phenomenon that occurs every year around this time, lasts into early January. Let's see how it plays out this year. We understand what the driver is. The main driver is behind this market. It's debt, debt, and more debt. That's all this is. Speaking of debt, apparently, a lot of Republicans are breaking with President Trump on this $2,000 relief check. He's getting a lot of flack from it. You know, it's your take on whether it's a good thing or not. Apparently, it's going to come up for a vote today in the House, and the GOP is poised to block it. This is going to drag out again. They're dangling the carrot again in front of the people's face. This has nothing to do with helping the people at all. This is about kicking the can down the road. It's a joke. Every excuse imaginable. Oh, there's too much pork in the bill. The checks aren't big enough. I mean, it's all about kicking the can down the road. We are in the middle of a very twisted scenario, which has been going on for a long time. You all know that. The elimination of the middle class and the emergence or the reemergence of a two-tier society, extreme haves, extreme have-nots. It's a game, and you are being played like a grand piano. That's all this is. I think most of you get that. I read a lot of the comments from yesterday. Some of them were quite funny. I expected to see a lot of what I saw in those comments, personal attacks against me. And that's fine. I can take it because you can't. I love it. I really do. You know I'm a little bit of a troublemaker. Anyway, so let's go back to this whole thing. Market's poised for a slightly higher gain. Ripple right now is up 5%. I told you a lot of panic selling in here over the last few days. I still believe Ripple is a buy until the SEC. The SEC can't figure out their ass from their freaking elbow. You understand? This is nothing new. So whatever the SEC is trying to do here, again, this is the same SEC that was given a roadmap of what Bernie Madoff was doing. They couldn't figure it out. And I'm not even saying anything nefarious went on with Ripple here. I don't know. Like I said, until I'm wrong, well, stop telling me I'm wrong, all of you out here who have been repeatedly wrong on Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies since I've been telling you to buy Bitcoin at $2,700. It's still over 23 freaking thousand. Can't make this stuff up. Brain dead people across the board, but that's okay. That's why they're broke and I'm not. You see, that's the difference. Anyway, so yeah, cryptocurrencies doing well. Ripple catching a bid here. Gold and silver, unfortunately, under a little bit of pressure right now, but you know that game. This is JP Morgan. JP Morgan. The debt is going to explode, and JP Morgan is going to continue to suppress the price of gold and silver. The SEC, the Commodities Exchange, all of them, they're all incompetent. They know what's going on here. They're in on it, quite obviously, because everybody knows it's JP Morgan rigging the metals market. And it's not just JP Morgan, but they're the main player here. Dollar right now slightly lower, crude oil slightly lower, dollar fractionally lower, 10-year yield 0.93. That's the situation. That's where we are at. And the main driver, the only driver behind this market is the promise of more debt, whether it comes via a stimulus package, which will eventually come, because it's all about trillions of dollars in debt. That's all it is. As you can see, if they were concerned, if Congress and the president were concerned about helping a single one of you in the middle class, we would have something by now, but no, they got to drag it out. That's all this is. President Trump coming out yesterday or the other day and talking about pork in the bill and we need bigger checks. It was just a method to kick the can down the road to destroy you, if you remember the middle class. That's all this is. The central banks are in full control and they're running the show. Once you understand that, the better off you're all going to be. Until that time, you're going to lose, and they continue to lose on top of that. And that's very sad because this entire blog is about winning and it's about winners, and that's the truth here. All right, so that's the stage. It's been set. Let's see what happens with the Santa Claus rally, which is supposed to begin today. Uh, anyway, that's it. I'll see all of you at the end of the day. Just freaking lovely. Please share the video. Love you a lot.